Okay, I think Hollywood just broke up with CGI artists, which they shouldn't, but OpenAI has dropped Sora 2, the video generating AI tool that looks like it escaped a Pixar movie and ate After Effects for breakfast. Hey, I'm Victor from Vidpros, your favorite editing agency, and today we're diving into the new beast, Sora 2, what it actually does, why it's insane, and whether editors like us should panic, celebrate, or start teaching AI how to make coffee. Spoiler, it's invite only right now, which means nope, we don't have the golden ticket, but we do have the official OpenAI examples, and they are wild enough to make even Marvel's visual effects team go, wait, what do we do now? So what exactly is Sora 2? Think of it as ChatGPT's overachieving younger cousin, but instead of essays, it spits out movie clips. You type a dragon flying through icy mountains, and boom, you get it. And make it 4K, cinematic lighting, wide shot, and suddenly you've got the trailer for Game of Thrones Season 9, which we deserve. Here's what makes Sora 2 different from other video AIs. It understands physics better. No more spaghetti arms or flying cows. It can generate audio that actually matches the scene. Dialogues, sound effects, ambient noise. It remembers the world state across multiple shots, which means if you say keep the cat on her head, the cat doesn't vanish halfway through the spin. And yes, it can even insert real people as cameos. Basically, you can finally cameo in your own Marvel movie. Congratulations! Let's check out some of the best demos OpenAI shared. Example 1. The Dragon plus Ice Spires. Look at this. It's like a scene from Game of Thrones. The snow, the lighting, the glacier falling apart, all generated by typing words. Example 2. Figure skater with a cat on her head. This one kills me. Not only does the skater land a triple axel, but the cat is just so cute. Physics, balance, even fur motion, all consistent. You might be like, wait, you can make that without 12 meetings and 10 cups of coffee, and apparently now you can. Example 3. Backflip on a pedal board. Now this is where it gets real. Water physics, body motion, balance, the pedal board reacts, the guy flips, and it doesn't look like a cursed TikTok filter. If this AI can handle water, you know it is good. Example 4. Real human cameo. This one is freaky. You film a quick clip of yourself, upload it, and Sora 2 can drop you into a generated scene with your real look and real voice. You know what that means, right? I can finally cameo in Lord of the Rings as the elf who only eats hot pockets. Dreams do come true. Now, if you've tried other AI video tools like Runaway, Pika, or Kyber, you know the drill. Cool for TikToks, memes, and quick concept art, but not exactly replacing Pixar. You often get weird morphing hands, floating objects, or backgrounds that can't sit still. Sora 2 steps it up. Consistency. It doesn't forget your cat halfway through. Physics. Finally, no more soccer balls teleporting. Integrated audio, not just silent films. Multi-scene continuity. Basically, storyboarding plus cinematography in one. Now, is it perfect? Nah. OpenAI themselves say the model still messes up sometimes, so don't expect Christopher Nolan to hand his IMAX cameras to ChatGPT just yet. So, should we editors be scared? Short answer, no. Long answer, this is just another tool. Here's what Sora 2 means for agencies like us at Vidpros. Faster mockups. Want to pitch a client on a crazy idea? Generate a 20-second AI concept before you even hit Premiere. Hybrid workflows. Shoot real actors. Drop them into AI worlds. Like a green screen, but the green is your imagination. Endless idea generation. AI can pump out dozens of versions and we polish the best one. Budget stretch. Smaller clients might finally get cinematic looking stuff without paying for helicopters or explosions. But AI doesn't fix bad storytelling. It doesn't trim awkward pauses. It doesn't know your brand voice. That's where we come in. Editors aren't going extinct. We're evolving into AI wranglers, quality checkers, and creative directors. Think of us as the humans who stop AI from accidentally making a dragon dab. Now for the not so fun part, risks. Sometimes hands, faces, or objects still glitch. Nightmare fuel. Cameos raise questions. Who controls your likeness? What if someone drops you into a Fast and Furious spin-off without your permission? Right now, it's invite only, meaning OpenAI is testing carefully, probably because if they unleashed it on the world, every Marvel fan would immediately generate their own 4-hour Avengers sequel. The trajectory is clear. More access, API integrations, and eventually plugins for Premiere or After Effects. When that happens, the game changes. But if you love human creativity just as much as AI or even more, here at Vidpros, we make it easy to bring your ideas to life. If you want professional editors and designers to handle your content without the stress of doing it all yourself, there's only one valid option. Let Vidpros take care of it. We specialize in turning your raw footage into high quality videos that captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. Your content, your vision elevated to a whole new level. Sign up for our trial and see the difference for yourself. AI tools like Sora 2 are powerful, but our professional team brings heart, creativity, and polish that technology alone can't match. So that's Sora 2. It's powerful, it's hilarious, it's terrifying, and it's only just starting. What do you think? Game changer for editors or just another shiny AI demo? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!